Hello and welcome to a short video from CBS Automotive. This is the Tesla Model X that we've been working on today. So I'd just like to show you a quick bit of the install. So what we've installed here is a Thinkware F800 Pro dash cam, which is just neatly mounted there. From the driver's view, can't see anything. It's nice and discreet. That's the front only camera, and then on this vehicle, even though it did have a panoramic sunroof, we have also added in a rear camera, which I'll show you shortly. So this is the product here. So this is the top spec camera that we found on the market. This comes with its own app. It does speed camera detection. It comes with a 32 gig SD card as standard, and that's on the front and rear system only. So we've taken a bit of time today to get this product installed, but the unbelievable car filled through technology, so it's very important that the installations are always done to a very high standard on these. So I'll just go to the rear of the vehicle and just open it up here. So at the back here you can see the rear camera, so it's neatly tucked away. That's all the cabling that you see. So it's not obtrusive at all, and overall a brilliant system. If anything like this that you would like installed, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30, or search for CBS Automotive on Google. Thank you very much for watching.